phi of x y plus z square comma x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay. Phi of xy plus z square comma x plus y plus z is equal to 0. We have to eliminate the function, arbitrary function. This question is appeared in June 2017. Okay. Then the given function is phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Here u is equal to xy plus z square and v is equal to x plus y plus z. Okay. Then find out del u by del x partially differentiating with respect to x means x. Okay, partially differentiating with respect to x, what will happen? 1. Okay. Then y plus 2 partially differentiating with respect to z means two z del z by del x. Okay, means del u by, then what will happen here? Y plus 2z del z by del x, we are writing p. Then take down again u function, partially differentiating with respect to y, del u by del y is equal to, partially differentiating with respect to y means x is a 1, okay, if y is a 1, then x plus 2 partially differentiating with respect to z square is 2z del z by del y, del z by del y. Okay, then x plus 2z del z by del y is q, del z by del y is q. Okay, then take down v function. Take down v function, del v by del x, del v by del x is equal to, partially differentiating with respect to x means x is 1, y is 0, plus z is del z by del x, del z by del x means 1 plus del z by del x, we are writing p. Okay, then take down again v function, del v by del y is equal to, x is 0 plus y is 1 plus z is del z by del y is equal to 1 plus q, 1 plus q. Okay, 1 plus q. Then take down here phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Then partially differentiating with respect to x, what will happen? Del phi by del x, del phi by del u into del u by del x plus del phi by del v into del v by del x is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay. Then again take down phi function, del phi by del v, del phi by del u partially differentiating with respect to y, del phi by del u into del u by del y plus del phi by del v and del v by del x is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay, then take this equation, again we have to do some modification. Okay, del phi by del u, del phi by del x, del u by del x is equal to minus del phi by del v into del v by del x shifted to RHS side minus del phi by del v, del v by del x. Okay, then come to second equation, del phi by del u del u by del y is equal to minus del phi by del v into del v by del v by del y into del v by del y. Okay, then call it as this is equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay, then 1 divided by 2. Okay, 1 divided by 2, what will get here? Del phi by del u by del x whole divided by del phi by del u by del y is equal to minus del phi by del v by del x whole divided by minus del phi by del v by del y. Okay, del phi by del u and del phi by del u get cancelled. Del phi by del v and del phi by del v get cancelled. Okay, then remaining is here. Okay, write down. I will give 1 minute time. Write down. Any doubt in this one? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, write down.
Ma'am, scroll up, ma'am.
Okay. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Shall I start the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you have to write this step. 7 marks question, no? You have to write this step and all. 5 marks is there, no? Directly write down del u by del x divided by del u by del y, del v by del x divided by del v by del y, then directly substitute. Okay, simplify. If it is 7 marks, you have to write these steps and all. Okay, then del u by del x whole divided by del u by del y is equal to del v by del x whole divided by del v by del y whole divided by del v by del y. Okay, del u by del x is del u by del x is here y plus 2zp whole divided by del u by del x plus 2zq is equal to del v by del x. Del v by del x is 1 plus p. Del v by del y is 1 plus q. Is 1 plus q. Okay. The next step. Okay. 1 plus q into y plus 2zp is equal to 1 plus p into x plus 2zq. Then simplify. Okay. Y plus qy plus 2zp plus q 2zpq is equal to 1 into x is x, 1 into plus 2zq plus xp plus 2zpq plus 2zpq. Okay. Then here plus 2zpq plus plus zpq get cancel. Okay, get cancel. Then remaining here write down xp plus minus qy. Okay. Then next 2zq minus 2zp. Then next plus x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, LHS part, whole LHS part shifted to RHS part. Okay, then you will get it xp minus qy and plus 2z plus 2zq minus 2zp, then plus x minus y is equal to 0. Then take down here, okay, here xp and minus 2zp. Okay, xp minus 2zp minus qy plus 2zq, then plus x minus y is equal to 0. Then here take down here uh, p common, x minus 2zp minus take down q common here, q y minus 2z plus x minus y is equal to 0. You can stop it here only, otherwise you have to simplify, you have to keep it this type. Okay, if you can stop it here also, otherwise simplify. Okay, simplify, you can keep it this type also. Any doubt in this problem? No doubt?
No. Completed.
Okay, completed. Shall I start new problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Then
Ma'am.
no, notepad is not visible.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Then take down f of xy by z comma z is equal to 0. Okay, this question is appeared in January 2016 and also December 17. F of xy divided by z comma z is equal to 0. Okay, then you can directly write down, then do the write this step and all, and solve the problem. Otherwise, directly write the formula also. Okay, del u by del x. Write the formula also. Okay. Then observe here the given equation. The given equation we are writing f of u comma b is equal to 0. Okay, na? Then write the formula here. Del u by del x whole divided by del u by del y. Okay. Is del v by del x whole divided by del v by del y. Del v by del y. Okay. Directly write the formula, then apply it. Okay. Then here u is equal to what? Here u is equal to xy by z and v is equal to z. Okay. Then find out del u by del x. Del u by del x, find out partially differentiating with respect to x you have to do. Okay. Then z square. Okay. Z square. Then write down z here. Partially differentiating with respect to x means x is 1 and y write down as it is only minus, okay, xy write down as it is, then z is del z by del x, del z by del x. Okay, then what will happen here in the next step? Okay, here zy minus xy del z by del x we are writing p whole divided by z square. Then here observe here, take down y common here. First term and second term having a y. Take down y common. Z minus x p by z square. Z by z square. Okay. Similarly, find out del u by del y. Del u by del y. Okay. Then z into x. Partially differentiating with respect to y we are doing. Okay. Then z. Quotient rule we are applying here. Z x del y, y is 1, x into 1 minus xy del z by del y whole divided by z square. Then next to here zx minus x y, in the del z by del y is q here whole divided by z square. Then take the x common here. X z minus x z minus yq divided by z square. Okay, understood? Any doubt? Any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then write down.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, then find out v. Okay, take down v is equal to z. V is equal to z. Okay, then here del v by del x is equal to del z by del x. Okay, means p. Del v by del x is equal to p. Then del v by del y, partially differentiating with respect to y. del v by del y is equal to del z by del y is equal to q. Del z by del y is equal to q. Okay. Then take this one. Equation 1. This is equation 1. Take this equation 1 and substitute divided by del u by del y is equal to del v by del x whole divided by del v by del y. Substitute the del u by del x. Del u by del x is here y z minus xp by z square. Del u by del y is z into like x into z minus yq divided by z square. Del q. Okay. Then next step, what will happen? Z square get cancelled. Remaining is here z y into z minus xp divided by x into z minus yq is equal to p by q. Then simplify xp z minus yq q where xpz minus spqy is equal to qyz minus spqy. Okay, here minus xpqy and minus xpqy get cancelled. Remaining here zz get cancelled. xp is equal to qy. Okay, very important. January 2016 and December 2000. Up to this much completed. Any doubt in this problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then I will start one more problem. Still 49, 20 minutes is there. Take down next problem. Z is equal to y f of x plus x into phi of y. Okay, x into phi of y. This question is appeared in January 2016, 17 and 18 and December 17 and December 17. Okay. Write the question, very important. Jan 2016, 17, 18, December 17. Shall I start?
Yes.
Okay, here del z by del x partially differentiating with respect to x Okay, del z by del x we are call it as p. Y into partially differentiating with respect to x we are doing y only. Then this is f dash of x plus, okay, partially differentiating with respect to x means here 1 into phi of y, okay, into phi of y. Phi of y is a constant term. Okay, then similarly find out del z by del y. Del z by del y is equal to q. Okay, differentiation of y is what here? 1. Partially differentiating with respect to y we are doing, this is 1 into f of x, write down as it is. F of x, it here y is not contained. Write down as it is only f of x plus, okay, then x phi dash of y, phi dash of y. Okay, then next to what will happen? Then next to again partially differentiating with respect to x only. Del square z by del x square is equal to del square z by del x square, we are called it as a PQR. R is equal to partially differentiating with respect to x we are doing, y is a constant, f dash of x is nothing but f double dash of x, okay, plus 1 into phi of I. 1 into phi of I. Phi of I is constant. Differentiation of partially differentiating with respect to x means phi of y is 0. Okay. It will become del square z by del x square is equal to r is equal to y into f dash of x. Y into f dash of x.
Yes, ma'am.
Then again partially differentiating with respect to y, okay, del square, take down this one, del z by del y, again partially differentiating with respect to y, del square z by del y square is equal to del square z by del y square is p q r s t. T you have to write here. Del square z by del y square is t is equal to partially differentiating with respect to x we are doing, f of x is 0 plus x write down as it is, then phi dash of y is becoming phi double dash of y. Okay, phi double dash of y z by del y square t is equal to x into phi double dash of y. X into phi double dash of y. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then one more take down del z by del x. Yeah, call it as this is equation 1. Um, this is equation number 2. Del z by del y. Take equation 2. Take equation 2 means del z by del y q is equal to f of x plus x into phi dash of y. Okay. Then take this one. Partially differentiating with respect to x we have to do here. Del by del x into del z by del y is equal to, okay, we are writing this is del square z by del. Differentiating with respect to x we are doing, f of x is nothing but f dash of x plus phi dash of y is constant, then differentiation of x is here 1. Okay, del square z by del x into del y we are writing as q or s. S is equal to f dash of x plus phi dash of y. Phi dash of y.